The Check TPMS System warning in your Honda Civic indicates a problem with the tire pressure monitoring system, not just low tire pressure. This system uses sensors in your tire valves to monitor pressure and temperature, sending data to your car's computer. The warning light could mean a sensor malfunction, like a dead battery, a calibration error after a tire change or rotation, environmental interference, or even a rare software glitch. Ignoring this warning can lead to safety risks like tire blowouts. First, try a DIY reset by driving at 50 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes to recalibrate the system. Alternatively, use an affordable TPMS reset tool available online for $20 to $50 for a manual reset. Next, check your tire pressures and inflate them to Honda's recommended levels, typically 32 to 36 psi for front and rear tires. If the warning persists, you likely have a faulty sensor. Consider replacing the sensor yourself or visit a Honda dealership, where costs range from $50 to $150 per sensor plus labor. For preventive maintenance, rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles and inspect the sensors annually to avoid future issues. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing most TPMS system issues.